Alright guys, so I know I haven't posted in 2 years since the Subaru content, but we're back and with a new project. So this is the new car. It's a 2009 BMW 335xi. I bought this car originally as a no start. It was a crank no start car. I got it for a good deal. This thing's all beat up. It's missing panels up there. The owner said apparently it had downpipes, intakes, and a tune on it, which worried me a bit, but well, it doesn't have downpipes. This is what he meant by intakes, which I guess it is intakes. It does have charge pipe and an intercooler. But yeah, this is the car, and this is gonna be the new project that I'm gonna be working on. It's pretty clean. It's the main reason why I bought it. Has a dent, a scratch right there. The bumper, I'm pretty sure this bumper is not OEM. The lights are all beat up. This side has broken tabs. The bumper is not on right. The fender's cracked. And there's a dent right here. Just a small dent. For the interior, it's pretty clean. I mean, I did vacuum the car when I got it. It has the whatever color this is. It's the seats. I'm glad it's this color though, because I didn't want the black interior one. I wanted the red, but this actually is really nice. Car does start. None of the lights up here work. The horn doesn't work. None of the buttons here work. It doesn't go into sport. It has a misfire. I think that's because of the spark plugs. I mean, I did change the coils and spark plugs as well. I put two-step coated plugs because that's all the store had, so that could be the reason why. This wing, this carbon fiber wing, and it's not really like taped on properly, so that needs to get addressed. These tail lights need to get addressed. These are like, this is all faded and cracked. That one's missing a piece right there. The car does have a VRSF catback system. Let me give y'all a sound clip. It's a clean car. You guys are probably asking what the build goal is with this. My goal is just to get the car running properly and figure out all the tweaks that it has, like why the horn doesn't work, why the lights don't work, fix the misfire, get the car running, like looking proper, because right now, I don't know if you guys can tell, you probably can tell, but the rear is definitely way lower than the front. The car has BC coilovers in the rear, and it has stock suspension in the front. So the plan is probably going to be to keep the BCs in the rear, find some BCs for the front. If I can't find any, then just burn the springs. I do have some stuff for the car already. I did buy downpipes. I do have M wheels for it, but I am missing one because the one wheel that I have is cracked. And if you know me personally, you know that this car is not going to stay stock. I'm going to put the downpipes on. I'm going to go up for the turbos. I'm going to put the intakes on. I'm probably going to do the intake manifold, metal valve cover, sport injection, upgraded low pressure fuel pump. It's gonna be a nice little daily for me, I guess you could call it, because my other car is down. So yeah, there's no real purpose as to why I bought the car. I just kind of wanted to, like I said, I just saw it and it was a good price, so I said why not. I've always wanted one of these. My cousin let me hold his 335i for like a month. We traded cars and I was in love with that car. I'll put it in the clip right now. That car had, you know, it was full bolt on, and it was rear wheel drive. This is going to be a learning process for me, because as you guys knew, for those who watch, the content I used to put out was for Subaru. I made like 4 videos. I got rid of that car, unfortunately, and this is new content y'all gonna get, so y'all can tune in. And yeah, we're gonna see what we can do with this.